Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use OBB files in Android. Open your file manager and navigate to Android/OB, then find or create the folder matching the app package name. Move the OBB file into that folder with exact spelling. If the app is already installed, clear its cache and restart the app so it detects the new data. For side-loaded apps, install the APK, add the OBB, then launch the app to verify. Start by confirming the OBB file name matches the app package and naming convention, then confirm file size looks correct. Use a trusted file manager app with storage permissions to access the Android/OB directory safely. If you downloaded the OBB, compare it to any provided checksum or file size note to avoid corruption. Keep the APK and OBB in the same download folder for convenience, and begin by installing the APK for side-loaded apps, unless the developer specifies a different order. Open your file manager and move the OBB into Android/OB under the exact package folder name, creating the folder if necessary. After placing the file, clear the app cache or data only if the app fails to detect the new content. Finally, launch the app and allow any first run setup to complete so the app can register the OBB data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.